And sometimes when you're doing duct cleaning, you want the air handlers to be running during certain aspects of the cleaning when you're using the RamAir system, so you get that airflow, that 2,000 plus CFM of air moving in the direction you want it to. Sometimes the air handler, you can't get to the thermostat, or the thermostat in this case, which we're doing for the government here in Oregon, state government, we can't access it to change it. So what you can do, there's a little shortcut. If you look right in here, there's this panel here, and on the board you see a red wire and a white wire. So what I'm going to do is just take any old wire of any sort, and if you just jump these two, of course it helps if you have a decent screwdriver. This one's being a bear. Well worth the effort though to do this. Okay, so I got that in there. Tighten that up just a hair. And then on the white wire, that's not cooperating. Maybe I can just stick it in there. Okay, it is clicking. Darn it. Bear with me here. I wasn't planning on this video this morning. Doing this off the cuff here. Get that stuck in there, motherfucker. Yes, I just cursed on live video. Well, anyway, check it out. I'm going to jump the red and the white and listen. So that'll start the fan. So we'll just jump it. We'll do the duct cleaning like we normally would, and then when we're done, we'll just unjump it and we'll be back to normal. So thanks much. Don't forget to check our website, which is ramair.co, and check our Facebook feed often for more tips.